In this trade, I'm going to show how I was able to make $470 in less than a minute. I'm going to click on the Strategies tab, enable the parameters for this trade. I'm going to use a bracket of 4, cancel a 10, bracket placement time of 8, 14.59. I'm trade 6 contracts, target at 8. Use a stop at 8. Click on our live account, select enable, apply, OK, and the strategy is enabled. Alright, about 10 seconds, our brackets are going to enter a chart. The trade is going to take place.
Order pending.
Brackets enter.
Order cancelled.
Goes short.
Order cancelled.
And boom, $470 in less than a minute. Well, that's just another example how easy our software is to use. Now we're able to profit so quickly. If you're interested in becoming a member, you can visit us at evtradingsolutions.com. Select the payment button, go through the payment process. If you have any questions how our service works, you can fill out the form on our website. And don't forget to leave a comment down below, give a like, let us know how we're doing. See you in the next one.